You are welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, if you have been on my WhatsApp group or on my Telegram group, you will see that I have been talking about this app, this platform called MTFE. So guys, in this video I want to show you how the platform works. Although it's a trading app, you can trade on your own there. You can trade on your own there if you know how to trade. But if you don't know how to trade, you can use the robot to trade for you, and the robot will earn you good income based on your money like this. Yes, based on what you are seeing here, the minimum is $26, and that $26 will be generating about $0.6 to $1 for you daily. Let's just put it as $1 for you daily. If you go for the second one, which is $61, that one will be giving you about $3 daily, 1.5 to $3 daily. Even with that 1.5 is a good move, it's still good. So that is it. This is their trading, daily trading for the robot, for the AI trading. But if you know how to trade on yourself, you know you can make more than this in a day, and you can also lose all your money in a day, in a single day. But you can't lose all your money though, because there is also stop loss, something like stop loss and take profit in trading. So but using the robot will never make a mistake. It will never lose any of your percent of your money. It will not lose anything. It will only make profit for you daily. So that is it on that part. So let's go deep into the platform and see how it works. So guys, I'm Banky Me, and this update is Banky update. My name is Banky Me. So right now guys, on this update today, I want to show you this app which about 1 million plus users are using currently. About 100 million users. I said 100 million. 1 million plus users are using this app currently, and they are using it to make money. If you want some other proof, I can show it to you. Some people have used it to buy cars. This update, ordinary, using the AI trading here, they have used it to buy cars in Nigeria, in India, in South Africa, in Dubai, all over the world. I'm telling you this. I am telling you this. So guys, let's go deep into this platform, and let me tell you how it goes. So firstly, you will need to register. When you want to register, check the description of this video. You will see the registration link there. So when you click on the registration link, it will direct you to this place like this, or like this. So after, it will direct you to a place like this. Come. So a place like this, it will direct you to register MTFE page like this. So the first thing you need, if you want to register with your phone number, note, if you have registered before and you don't know how the platform works, you don't know anything about it, please try to re-registered under me and come to my WhatsApp group so that you can be seeing updates on how it goes. Yesterday, even someone's I have registered before, although I have registered long time before. I don't know how it works, and I delete it. So yesterday, or a few days ago, this guy, there is a guy in my group that tells me more about how it works. So, and it showed me everything. Even yesterday, it sent me 13,000 naira, 13k. It sent it to me to add it up to my money. If the person that I did not even know can send me such amount of money, believe me, the person believe in it. Believe in it very well. Believe on the platform. So and he said I should be registered under him. So you too, I can also help you with some things if I am capable, but remember, I can't help everybody. I cannot help everybody. So if you have your money, just go direct to it and use it. On my WhatsApp group, I used to do giveaway there. Do giveaway there. So guys, you can also still benefit more from me, so just be under my team. So right now guys, what I want to show you is that you will click here at this plus sign to select your country if you are using phone number, but if you can still use the email address here to register, you can use it. So after you click on the plus sign and you select your country from here. I'm in Nigeria, I select N to Nigeria. So you select your country, then you input your country phone number. Remember, as a Nigeria, I don't need to start with 0, just start with the second number next to it. So after you input your phone number, this is not my phone number, so don't go and call this person. I am just using it as an example. So you click on continue. So on this organization code here, you don't need to input anything here, just leave it empty. But on this promote code, this is what you are going to use: 2583626. So after that, you click on next. So when you click on next, it will tell you that this thing has been registered. So you just need to click on next. So after that, after you click on next, it will register your account for you. So the next thing to do is to click on download. After you click on that next step, and you do the other registration there, the next thing is to click on download to download the app from normal. The app is on Play Store, on Apple Store. So that it will direct you to the original app. So after that, you will see a page like this. So it will direct you to the page like this. You can see everything on the app, on everything. After you log in, you will see everything. So the next thing to do is to click on security authentication here. So on there, you will have to do your verification. My own has been verified already, so I am just refreshing it to see it very well. So okay, so you can see my account here. You can see that security authentication is green here. You can see it green here. Your own will not be green color. So I have done my verification. That is the reason. So on your own, you have to click on security authentication here, because if you have not done your verification, you won't be able to deposit or do anything on the app. So you have to click on security authentication code here. Input your phone number, your name, your real name, and your ID card number, either your NI and your national ID card number, your voters card, I think they accept voters card, your driver license. Just input the number there to verify your account. So that is all. After a few hours, and after a few minutes, they will verify your ID card. Your phone number might take a few hours to get verified. So after they verified your account, the next thing right now is to now click on wallet to deposit. Click on wallet here to make your deposit. If you click here, you will see that I have $64 here right now. So you will now click on recharge. You click on recharge. So when you click on recharge, it will direct you to this page here on your account, where you are going to see the wallet address you are to send the money to, which is USDT TRC20 wallet address. So click on copied here. just click on the copy box here to copy it and send the money, exact money you want to use, send it to it. Make sure it is exact. If you are sending $26, I will advise you to send like $27 into it. If you are going for the $61, I will advise you to send like 20 if you are going for the $61, I will advise you to add $1 to it, so due to because of transaction fee. So the next thing to do is to click transfer here to transfer this money from wallet to asset, to my asset. So let's do that right now. So you input it, the amount you want to send. I want to transfer, let me transfer everything. So input everything from, this is it, from wallet to asset, my asset. So that is it. Now click on confirm transfer. So successful transfer right now. So as you can see, in few minutes, the money will appear on my asset. The money will appear here on my asset here. So after it appears on my asset, the next thing to do is to click on transaction mode here. That is where the magic lies in. So input transaction code. What we want to turn or we want to use is the AI smart transaction. That is what we want to use. So you click on it and you turn it on. You will turn it on here. You will just turn it on. So that is it. But for right now, this is weekend. I make this video on Sunday. This is weekend, so you cannot turn it on weekend. You can only turn it on working days, which is from Monday to Friday. You can turn it on, but I will advise you to turn it on maybe when you can turn it on anytime. But one thing about this platform is that they will trade for you from Monday to Friday. It will trade from you from Monday to Friday. So if you turn it on Monday right now, it will keep on making money for you till Friday. On Friday night, it will turn off by itself. Then on weekend, there's nothing going on because it's like they are trading forex trading. So on weekend, it's a weekend day, it's a resting period. So no transaction until Monday again. Your money will start counting again on this platform. You can see that my money has come to this place right now. It has moved from my wallet to my asset. And if you look at it very well, you can see that I deposit $64 here. You can see that it's now $62 because they take the transaction fee for transfer. So I think their transaction fee for transfer is $2. So make sure you add up $2 to whatever you are sending to this place. If you are sending if you want to go for the $26 plans, then you will have to deposit $28 because of transaction fee. So if you are depositing 61, if you want to go for the $61 own, then just deposit $63 so that the transaction fee will be included. So and what I want to go for right now is for the $61 own. So I am going to upload this video right now. I'm going to upload it to this YouTube right now. So after I make this upload, by tomorrow when I want to turn this app on, I have already shown you how to turn it on. So by tomorrow I can still make another video. I might not make another video, we just turn it on. The turn on is from 8 a.m. to 11, so you can turn it on from 8 to 11. So by tomorrow, maybe next tomorrow, I am going to be giving you some other updates on my WhatsApp group based on this for this platform. You can also join their Telegram group also. So make sure when you are doing your verification, don't forget this also. When you are doing your verification here, make sure you input your bank account number there so that you can use it to receive your money anytime you want to withdraw. So if you want to withdraw, you will click on withdrawal here. So all your information, your bank details, everything is there to just make your withdrawal. So that is it. I will still be giving you some more updates about this platform. So please right now join it. Please try to join it. Don't miss this opportunity again. Don't miss this opportunity again. This has been making people money since last year. I am telling you, more than 1 million people are using this app. Let me show you the proof. Please, if you are registering, don't forget to use my code. Don't forget to use my code. My code is in the description of this video. The code there is in the description of this video. Let me show you the proof that about 1 million plus users are using this app currently. So on Play Store, you can see it here on Play Store. Let me just update the app. So on Play Store, let me show it to you. You can see it here, 1 million plus download. This might has been up to 2 million plus. You know, the way Play Store updates it's downloaded this thing from 1 million, I think 5 million or 10 million, then from 10 million to 50 million, like that, from 50 million to 100 million. That is how it updates. It's downloading this thing here, right here. So you can see it. You can see people review 7,000 review. You can see many of the people review here. Most of their review here are 5 stars, 7,000, 5 stars. All these ones, I don't know the reason why they okay. App is slow withdrawal process. Okay, slow withdrawal, but you still have your money. Why are you rating it one this thing? 99% of 99.9% of people using this app rate it 5 star, but only this person here rates is 1. You can see it. You can check everything. Their review, people's review for this app, you can check their reviews. Many people review them great. Many people review them great. I have a challenge when it comes to select country. If you even look at the reason why they give this app 1 star, some people giving it 1 star, it's not that the app is not working. They are having some challenges. Maybe if you look at this person here, say I have a challenge when it comes to select the country. When I click where to choose a country, nothing happens. Yes, nothing will happen there. Nothing will happen. It will not show that you have selected the country, but it has been selected. It has been selected. So this person did not know. He thought it will that something will show up there. So if you cannot register with your phone number, just register with your email instead, your email address instead. So guys, that is the update I have for you guys today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, join my WhatsApp group, hit the like button, and register through me so that I can monitor those people are in my team. So guys, thank you for watching. See you soon on my next video. Goodbye from now. From tomorrow up onward, we'll be making money on this platform. Thank you for joining. Goodbye for now.